What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here. So your boy has been absolutely crushing it on the auctions today. I bid on 10 auctions and I've gotten, all 10 of those auctions. So those are all going to be getting shipped out this week. I should have a nice little shipment. I mean, a nice, FBA shipment to go into Amazon sometime next week. All the lots I bought today were all video games, right? I sent out 3 boxes of video games today, and my shipping, like since they are so light, my shipping came out to like $15, and I sent out boxes to 3 different locations, and the total for all 3 was literally like I think it was like 10 or 15 bucks. It was something around like $15 or something like that for all 3 places. So that was not bad at all, guys. That was absolutely amazing. Super sweet. But I did want to give you guys some websites that you guys, can use and stuff. Again, you don't have to buy video games. You don't have to go in my niche, or you can if you want to, obviously. But I mean, like a lot of people like, oh, do I have to buy video games? Or like, no, you guys can literally the website is here. Like personally, I buy anything and everything that I can buy. Like video games are just making me some good money. So I mean, that's what I'm looking for. But if I see something like, let's say, I don't know, like a modem. That's what I got right next to me. But like, if I see a modem, you best believe I'm gonna buy that. Package it up, send it in. Like the same thing. Like I mean, it doesn't matter what it is. I don't care what it is. If I can sell it, it will be gone. Like it's just like literally, it's just that simple. So yeah, let's just get right into this here. So they actually got a few nice things on here. Like I was actually looking at this right here because I thought it was brand new, and that's going for $445 in profit. So yeah, that's not bad. If you can find a Wii game brand new, like you are in there. But the crazy thing is that this same exact Wii is going for $22 used. Like a lot of people are like, dude, why don't you sell used video games? Why don't you sell used video games? Oh, I actually do have a video coming out with the whole used video games thing or whatnot. Since so many people like, oh, you should do used video games, use video games. I won't spoil it, but I'll let you guys watch that video. I actually did go out and try to do the whole used video games thing. You guys stay tuned for that. But yeah, like you see the wheat, right, is going for $22 used. Brand new is going for $440, like $445. Like, I mean, it's gonna take a lot of used weeds to get to the same price that one weed would, make you brand new. That's why I don't sell used video games. Like I pretty much don't sell pretty much anything used. There are a few select games that I'll sell used because I mean, like even if you buy them used, you're gonna make like $60, $70 in profit on them. And again, it doesn't really. Well, I guess I can't say I won't sell them used because I mean, if I can find a game and I can get it dirt cheap enough, let's say I can get it for like 50 cents and it'll sell for $3 or $4, I'll do that all day long. Like I mean, that's good money. You spend $1,000 on that, you're getting a guaranteed 3 or 4 grand back. So I'm not going to complain about that whatsoever. But for the most part, again, you're going to have a whole bunch of FBA sellers. And I'll also give you a huge tip if you're going to if you're thinking about selling used video games. I actually gave this to the Team DeAngelo members today. Do not buy video games from Target that are on clearance. Don't even do it. You're literally wasting your time. Do not do that. Okay? Once it goes on sale at Target, like I kid you, just scan some of those games, guys. Like scan it and then like take a picture of the barcode or whatnot. And then, like I said, just even if you're like literally the only person on it, just take a picture of it, send it in or whatever if you want to, if you really need to. But then like scan that same barcode like 4 or 5 days later. There will be like 80 people, like literally every single game I've scanned at Target, that was on clearance had no less than 35 people on there. Things like 33 to be exact, something around there on every single game. So I don't buy any games from Target. Like that's just a huge no-no for me. Like obviously, it's a case by case basis, but most of the time I'm not even gonna buy any games from Target. That's just me. Like I said, since I've been getting into this whole little video game thing here, it's just nah. I'm good. But yeah, I really just don't sell used video games. It's just not I don't know, it's just not for me. But let's see if we can find anything else on here. Also, I know I got a lot of people been asking like, what's my main site? Obviously, guys, I can't give up my main video site, my main video game site, obviously, because then that'll just be creating more competition for myself. Let's see if we got anything over here for the PS3. Okay, so we got a PS3 right here. If you can find one of these bad boys right here, brand new, I think those go for about like 800 or 900 as well. Especially if they're, obviously if they're working, and with his brand new, obviously to be working. But yeah, that'll be real nice. But yeah, guys, just check out these websites here. Just come up here, look around. You also got the Walmart liquidation. I was actually looking at these controllers right here earlier because I actually thought it was going to be a good deal, but turns out not even close to a good deal. I think these were going for about $35 in profit. So yeah, I mean after all your fees and everything, and you're going to be buying them for 65, nowhere near a good deal at all. You can also check out their other stuff. They got some by, where is it? By Amazon. So like a lot of the videos you guys will see where they're like, oh, just bought return items, $600 to return items from Amazon liquidation or something like that, right? This is normally where they get their stuff from. So you would just go ahead and put in your little bid here, and then you would just click bid now after you make your account and stuff, of course, and you'd be just good to go. So this is another good site here. Another one is, eBay, of course. And again, I've talked about Source.com. And I've talked about a few other ones. So I already made videos on those, so I'm not really going to go over that. But yeah, that is pretty much it. And the reason why I'm looking up cars over here is that I'm actually thinking about getting into the Toro game. I know I've been doing a lot of different stuff lately here. I just got into the retail arbitrage. Now I'm doing the auctions and stuff like that. And God, get into the auctions. The auctions is absolutely like just a huge killing for no reason. But yeah, because I mean, like, then all you need to do, especially if you're ordering from Amazon FBA, literally, you just take everything, scan it. Let's say you order like 5 different things, but you order like let's say I got 5 different copies of a game, but I got like 10 of them each, right? I just gotta scan, literally 5 games, measure the box, put the sticker on, boom, send it right out. Literally takes like 30 seconds versus if I go to let's say I go to the Goodwill or I go to Walmart or something like that. I got a whole bunch of different items I got to scan in. Then, since my house is a complete mess right now, I got to look through everything and all that stuff. So yeah, when it comes to the auction, again, literally you got like 5 or 10 different games or whatever it is you're buying. Scan. Literally, just you don't even have to take everything out of the box unless you got to put a label on it. But most of the time you're not gonna have to do that. But then boom, print your label off. Literally take it right to the store. Like within like 10 minutes of you scanning and labeling, you can literally be right out the door. But yeah, I'm thinking about getting into the Toro. I got a little tri-touch there, but thinking about getting into the Toro game. If you guys do Toro, let me know your results down below with Toro and whatnot. I'm really debating on it. I'm thinking that'll be pretty decent, while I'm trying to make up my mind about the offline store here. But yeah, with this right here, it's like really dirt cheap to get in. You just buy 2 or 3 cars, and then you would just rent them out, on the little Toro app. So I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys are doing that. I've heard a lot of crazy stuff about it, but I mean, obviously, I'm not gonna be putting any like super expensive cars on there. I did see a Tesla on there today as well, though, and I did see a few videos of people actually getting their cars stolen. I actually seen one lady where her car got completely totaled, but they actually paid off her entire car. Did take like 3 months for them to do their little investigation and all that stuff, but they did pay off her entire car. She had no car payments, no nothing. They was just paid it outright. Like, I'm like, damn, that's nice. But that is pretty much it, guys. Again, don't forget to like, subscribe. If you guys got any other sites to help people out, put them in the description down below.